Welcome to this episode of the Political Runs with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was time for hit to hit, can say hit. Where there, you only find it on this channel, News BC. You only find it on this channel. Slay Queen B, or NDC. He has threatened the president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any NDC for you now. What threatening or movie, no? And or man penny man appointment. Now, the reason why I'm actually working on this story, and I say me this story we bring on say, NDC for youth be brave. I was social media. As uko YouTube omuho, uko Facebook omusheo, Twitter I say omufano X omusheo, Snapchat kra omuho. Na TikTok dear baby, as omu headquarters no. Na sa youth more NDC mono. Omu be brave during the campaign time. In fact, even before campaign umpono, they really work for NDC. Omu brave Pama NDC. They were sharing flyers. They were sharing the song. Se pri, se pra, se ma John mama John mama I say John mama They were sharing all those things. They were wearing their dress. NDC for muntadi no. Omu JC version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4 ni nyina no mu share. No mu trap pictures. No mu campaign rallies ni nyina. Now after all these things, NDC aba power. Now, most of these youth, still as at now, they are still on social media. They go to MPP platform, they insult people and all. Me say, me here live, be brave. They will insult you. On your saw me, on your papa, cause penny, only Juma be a now betina. I say, here live. That is their work. And I say, Juma, mu Felice, mu yema NDC. Now, I thought I feel so sad for this kind of people. And as I say, 3 months near NDC baimo. Over 90 days. Now, over all these 90 days, most of the people I know are more NDC mu, are more juma pa, or more modern campaign grants or muninam ho. WhatsApp or share flyers. Be young crofo Facebook, young crofo, ewo YouTube ni. Most of them are many munina. Omu ba kunkra nya appointment here. How more appointment you? They they are telling them say NIA processes at the right time. IMF say we should not recruit anybody. We are hearing now as we are talking say youth be hokra. Say come Malik Basintele officer. Yema murim. Maliko, you call the officer yema murim. We saw videos of our foreign minister Okujeto say he was walking into a car and a party NDC guy be. Then a kasa say, honorable, person me kasa me chira quick one. Honorable say, nya kana nimbe kasa. Person ni me kasa ko booking appointment. Na me chirin sem phone. Sa na honorable. Now we asema make you na no. Enye me na me ko. I have to tell you first. Assembly na me make chira flat channel we so bia no. Eye adenta for market women. Omu na omuka. And to me, so me come market no sana me ko tina mu che na mu card mu ka sem na we report ya ma. Etenye me na make that disclaimer they say me making. At dental market women, omu na mu ka say uko Malik Basintele office kra opamu. Yes say honorables be brave wo say more NDC more joma ma more appointment. Say o from mu kra omu fa. Ebi mu kra mo say phone numbers. Now, nkofo mo isa on phone numbers. No, call WhatsApp and untimi hu mo status biom. Aden o ma block you. Now, if you are part of this category of NDC grassroots for muntie asem ba catch them. You see, Adenta market women say me catch them say. Slay Queen be a friend Mami Mavis AJ. Say ni last time me kwa say bidio. Chama mi no. Wachire mu kwan ya say metumi afa so. Enya appointment ewo John Mahama administration wim. Me tie yo, ya ka kire ye say And I see say market women pa omoma advisor ese wo hwe na wo di advice no so cause ultimi this 2 year omo na omo nim business mo eti ultimi do omo advice so you will make it. Omo see some ami Mavis eje we no otina se hu se there be ya chicha appointment ni nyina endru mi soda ya chicha system ministers obiam bomidin a chicha CEOs ni nyina obiam bomidin na o hwese se na de no kono o ma hwe ye a hasa de no endru ni soda ena ma me no osori anajo obompae sai na o tie eni bi wo ni mu se mi ba ko chiro o Facebook say politics is a complex game. I am done. Enti o tie sa ni no ewo ni mu no and o sorry e ko Facebook and ko chiro e say politics is a complex game. I am done. And one or chiro now all chiro sa de no wie no under the comment section we say grassroots for bebre bae enu kreo omunya poeti wuye o ade na mu yesa na one pa oba ne won fese eto nufo enima ni makeup nso unim se na ye makeup ye ade na mu poeti o and your man penino on who star no who move and say market women na ka say we kire mi o na your man penino who ade no say o man hwe ni ya and say one take care bia ma we say no say kasa say I'm down within a week or two your man appointment bia wa be kasa wa bonte na wa be kasa mpo a be kasa nso a secrets bi o wa be reveal nje be no den na your man penino ko hwe ni book mu nyina wa appointi obi a nip ya appointi obi to what that NYA YEA nyina Minister of Youth and Sports crano ya appointi na ewi na me ne dance say and I say okay make create new agency be new agency yo agency no eni ho say make create agency be na me di ma me ko share ho enti e man pe na create agency be a friend no National Ghana Trade Commission. Ghana Trade Commission no be sami ameni na eni ho akufa ruta meni ho me o stand meni ho kufuo na eni ho Jerry John Hollis na eni ho Mahama 1.0 na eni ho mama me wait me threaten ye o Facebook there ya creating new agency ya friend no Ghana Trade Commission na san Ghana Trade Commission ya creating no highest rank wo ho enye CEO highest rank no executive secretary na wow feel say executive secretary a position be kwa remember say uko Ghana Identification Authority National Identification Authority be Ghana card no uko ho nso a omo ni CEO highest rank wo ho no ye executive secretary and this executive secretary no is just like say I'm more CEO appointment and the mami a friend no Auntie Mavis ej kwa we can confirm say from December your market women no muka wo adenta no ye threat or issue of Facebook and I'm sooner and I'm started to sooner your man appointment and to wow we end this thing you know usu threat be chiro be or Facebook say mama me appointment make asa mama me appointment na mafia juma nyina mudi ma me no me ba beka wa bonten o be ma appointment wo dey try share wo try na ye juma kai say tight no di bebre me. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana SM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.